Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter Y. Okay, the letter Y has really a lot of varieties, and the most basic one looks like this. Stroke down, a little bit curved, closer to the bottom, down, and like this. It's basically a letter G, but these parts are not connected, so you cannot use the same patterns as for the letter A, for example. So because you cannot connect these two lines here. But for the bottom part, it's absolutely the same. Okay, you can have it like this, or you can have it connected with other letters using this knot here. These are two most basic variants, but it has a lot of varieties. You can start the first line a little bit higher and going up, and you can connect it not kind of in the first third or in the middle of the letter, but you can connect it really higher and go down, or you can do a little loop here. So you see that's how your hand goes here, and making a little loop and going down. Also you can disconnect it basically, and so you see here, and almost every letter is just going down and kind of crossing this connector line here, but you can just go slightly here and make it something like this. Or you can make the last stroke here not curved, but just straight. And as well, it's a nice way to start your flourishing. So you can do it like this, and a little flourish here. Or if it's in the end of the word, you can have it here, something like that. Or also a nice way to do it is the regular Y, a connector here, and a line here, something like this. We will see it's more on the next stage, where we try it with a brush pen. Okay, so trying out the basic one, then the one that is connected. You should know how to write the letters now. Just going up and down. Okay, let's use this one. This one, the upper stroke here should be a little bit thinner. And you can add something here as well, if you wish. Okay, let's try to make one with a little connected knot. Okay, and now the one that is not connected with the part inside the letter. Now the one that's just straight down. And now for some flourishes, I guess. Okay. last one. Something like this. Yes, that looks nice. There are a lot of variants, and it's pretty common letter in English language, so you will have a lot of variants of how to write it. Okay, let's try it in a word now. First word would be your. Starting somewhere in here, going up, down. I'm using the one with a loop. It's pretty wide. Let's connect it pretty low here. Your, and they are not slightly upper in here. Okay, and now let's try the word minty. It's really common that the letter I is at the end of the letter, and we will use this variant of the letter Y. Nice letter for practice actually, because that's basically just strokes, 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 up and down, up and down. And for this one we can have a little cool feature. We can have each new segment start a little bit lower. Yes, that looks nice. And for now we will try the word yeah. I will make a little sketch first, and we will try this variant here. Okay, and now, well, let's use this marker here. Okay, starting a little bit higher, then going down. This one will not be connected, but that's fine. Okay. And now this wash here. Okay, now let's correct some strokes. And actually we can have it like this. Yeah, that looks much better. Yeah, so that's how you write the letter Y.